Good morning friends, and this side Suraj. This is my 37 video on YouTube towards improve my communication skills. So in this video I will talk about belief, that how important belief is in life and what is the impact can it bring in life. So this is what which we are going to talk about in this video. So without wasting any time, let's move to our topic. So believe what? If you have or if you believe in yourself, something which you want to achieve in your life, whether it is impossible or not possible for you, but once you start believing in yourself that I can do it, whether it is possible or not, it doesn't matter. What matters that you believe in yourself. And once you start believing in yourself, all the things become so easy for you. And believing means something which is not possible, which is impossible for everyone. But you believe in yourself that I can do it. It is impossible, I will do it. It is not possible, I will do it. You take the responsibility. You take the power in yourself to do that thing in your life. That is called belief system. Oh, what you get once you started believing in yourself? Once you started believing in yourself, you develop the confident in yourself. Because when you do not believe in yourself, you will feel lack of confidence. You will not walk confidence. You will not attitude will not show. But once you start believing in yourself that I can do anything, it doesn't matter. I am going to do better things in my life. I'm going to do work in top companies. I am going to do in better thing in this field, or I'm going to master this field. Anything. Once you start believing in yourself, you develops confidence, you increase confidence in yourself, and that confidence helps you to show the attitude and show the power. And whatever things is difficult or not doesn't matter, all the things started happening automatically just because of believing in yourself. Second thing, once you start believing in yourself, you develops your willpower. Because something which you want to do in your life, but somewhere you are stopping yourself to do it because of the lack of confidence, because you did not have a belief in yourself, because you are doubting on yourself, because you think that I'm not able to do that things in your life, and just because of that you are skipping that things in your life. But once you start believing in yourself, you develop some willpower, or brings up willpower in yourself that I can do it. I want to do that things in my life. I am made for that things. I am born to do that things in my life. You will love doing in your life. So your willpower that I have to do it. That thing will literally different for you, and you embrace it. You develops in yourself that I have to do that things in my life. So, believing in yourself also develops a willpower in yourself, and it gives you a wonderful energy in yourself. Third thing, once you believe in yourself, that you develops a inner strength in your body. That is something which is remarkable, which is amazing, which is unexpected for you. You will not able to believe that you are the person who are doing all these things in life once you start believing in yourself, because your strength which is coming from your inner side, which would be remarkable, which will be unexpected for you, because you do not expect it that these things can happen in your life from you, and that thing will happen automatically because of believing in yourself. And you will generate the inner strength in your whole body, and your whole body will feel different, feel power, feel energetic, and feel positive. And that is what you will attract the success. You will attract what you want. You will attract your aim. You will attract everything in your life. It will all happen because of your inner strength, and inner strength will develop by believing in yourself in your life. Fourth thing, once you believe in yourself, your body gestures, your body language, your way of talking will change thoroughly. Once you start believing in yourself, you think that I am a different person. I can do anything in the world. I am capable of doing anything in my life. Nothing is possible. Nothing is impossible for me. Everything is possible for me. That kind of mentality, that kind of power which you will feel in your body, and that will be amazing and unexpected, or you will be unstoppable person in your life once you start believing in yourself. Because you know there are so many wonderful stories of so many wonderful people who have done unstoppable things or impossible things in their life just because of believing in themselves, because they have a belief in themselves that I can do anything in my life, and that is what which helped them to difficult things in their life, and that is why they are known to be hardest, or a person who are popular or famous or who did a wonderful things in their life just because of believing in themselves. Whether they are not getting the opportunities, whether they are not famous, whether they are not good, whether they do not have skills, whether they are nothing in their life, but one thing which they have or they had in their life, that was the belief system in their life, that they had the belief that I can do anything in my life. I will start from zero, I will go to 100. It all will happen because of the belief system. If you have belief, you can do anything in your life. You can master any field in your life. There is no doubt. Just believe in yourself, guys, and go ahead in your life, and you will see the thousand of doors, thousand of opportunities which will be waiting for you in your life, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.